Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that all of you are good and safe and sound at home. Students, last week we have done with the words, meanings, word sentences and question answers of lesson number 4, that is the old oak tree, right? So today we are to deal with the bookwork of lesson number 4, that is on page number 37, 38, 39 and 40. But before starting that, let me tell you about that topic briefly, right? So that we can move on. Alright, this is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. अब noun की जगह जो naming word I told you, noun is a naming word. जो हम नाम कोई भी यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी चीज़ के लिए, that is called a noun, right? But pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. जो कि हम noun की जगह इस्तेमाल करते हैं, that is actually called as pronoun. We use a pronoun so that a noun need not to be repeated. For example, you, I, he, she, it, we, they, etc. Here, we use pronoun. हम pronoun क्यों use करते हैं? Because we don't want to repeat the noun again and again. If you are writing a paragraph लिख रहे हैं तो आप कोई भी अगर नेम फर्स्ट में स्टार्ट में लिखते हैं, किसी भी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में लिखते हैं, तो आप बार बार उसको सेंटेंसेस में रिपीट नहीं करेंगे, राइट? यू विल यूज़ स्पेसिफिक प्रोनाउन फॉर दैट. आप प्रोनाउन यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, सारा इज़ अ फैशनेबल गर्ल, शी वेयर्स ट्रेंडी क्लोथ्स. अब बात तो सारा की ही हो रही है, लेकिन आप बार बार सारा यानी नेम जो है उसका नाउन बार बार यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. यू विल यूज़ हेयर प्रोनाउन फॉर इट, राइट? Alright, pronouns like she, her, they, them, it, etc. So this is the pronoun basically. But there are different types of pronouns. We are going to deal with 4 of those or 5 of those, right? Number 1 is subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are those pronouns that perform the action in a sentence. They are I, you, he, she, it. In the last one, first one slide, I told you, right, this one. She wears trendy clothes. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? She इज़ अ प्रोनाउन. बट ये कौन सा प्रोनाउन है? दिस इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. ये सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन है, राइट, जो कि परफॉर्म कर रहा होता है एक्शन को, किसी काम को. बट देर इज़ अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस आर दोज प्रोनाउंस दैट रिसीव द एक्शन, जो कि रिसीव करते हैं, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मी, यू, हिम, हर, अस, देम, एट्सेट्रा, राइट? So this is the difference between subject and object pronouns. Next one, right? Okay, I have given here pictures for you, right? I is a subject pronoun, and if we want to change it into object pronoun, we will write here me in a sentence, right? We, you, he, she, these are all subjects. But if we convert those into object, we will become us, you becomes your, he becomes him, and she becomes her, right? So this was the concept of subject and object pronouns. Alright, come on page number 37 and 38, students. 37 first. Underline the subject pronouns in the following sentence. You are to underline the subject pronoun. I told you subject क्या होता है? काम करने वाला, right? So जब subject pronoun क्या है? That is actually acting, right? Doing an action. Okay, A is it was a lovely spring day. Now here it is a subject pronoun acting as a action, performing an action. So here it is subject pronoun. You are to underline it. Next one is I walked to the corner store for a cup of tea. I is a subject pronoun. Underline it. C, he does not boast of his scholastic achievements. Now here he is subject pronoun. Underline it. D is we know the importance of exercise in maintaining good health. Now we is here subject pronoun. You are to underline these 4, right? Next one, page number 38. Underline the object pronouns in the following sentences. You are to underline the object pronouns. अब आपने object pronoun को underline करना है जो कि receive करता है action को, right? Now here A is the teacher quizzed me. Me is here object pronoun. Underline it. B is the committee has chosen her for sales department. Her is here object pronoun. You are to underline it. C is the use of the latest technology helped them a lot. Now here them is object pronoun. You are to underline it. D is Asim did not inform Ahmad and him. Now here him is object pronoun. E is the president employed Aslam and me. Now here me is object pronoun. Next one is write S for subject pronoun and O for object pronoun. Now you are to write S on the subject pronoun and O on the object pronoun. A is Aisha's father walked by her. Now her is here, this is object pronoun. You are to write O on it. B is it was an excellent choice. It is, doing an action, right? So here you are to write S on it, subject pronoun. C is Ahmed studied with me in school. Now here me is object pronoun. You are to write on it O. D is we analyzed the plan. We is performing an action, right? So here we is subject pronoun. You are to write S on it. E, the candidate chosen was she. Now she is subject pronoun. You are to write S on it. Next one is possessive pronoun. We are done with the subject and object pronoun. Now this one, third one is possessive pronoun. Pronouns that show ownership to something or someone. Like all pronouns, it substitutes a noun or noun phrase so that repetition is avoided. अब जब हमने repetition, I told you about it that if we don't want to repeat the name again and again, so we use pronouns, right? So if a pronoun that is actually showing an ownership, किसी चीज़ को आप own करते हैं तो उसकी ownership को show करने के लिए आप जो pronoun use करते हैं, that is basically called as possessive pronoun. For example, these books are mine or yours. Now here mine and yours both are showing an action, an ownership. So here both are possessive pronouns, mine and yours, right? So this is possessive pronouns. Students, come on page number 39. Use correct form of pronouns to complete each of the following sentences. Now here A is it's time for team to demonstrate. It's here, this one, right? It's, you are to take it. Demonstrate, it's sportsmanship. ITS. Now without apostrophe you are to select here this one. B is your bike is as old. Your bike, not yours. Your bike is as old as mine. You are to take mine and your both. C is their work looks better. Their work, not theirs. Their work looks better than ours. OURS. You are to select this one. D is my painting looks better. My painting, not mine painting. My painting looks better than yours, right? Next one is this brand new computer is theirs, not theirs, right? You are to select theirs here. Okay. Moving on towards the next one type, that is reflexive pronouns, students. So reflexive pronouns, it's showing, a reflection like type. उस तरह का आपको feel होता है जब इसको आप पढ़ते हैं, right? So the meaning related to the reflection. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of an action are the same person, animal or thing. अब यहाँ पे आपको reflection show हो रहा है किस तरह से? He is, beating himself. वो अपने आप को मार रहा है. He is performing an action and he is receiving too. अब वो receive भी कर रहा है. Action कर भी रहा है और receive भी कर रहा है. So the pronoun basically used for that is called as reflexive pronoun. In the sentence, the boy is beating himself, right? So himself is here reflexive pronoun. Reflection show कर रहा है, right? The reflexive pronoun is himself. It shows that the action is performed on oneself, right? So I told you about it. So this one is the reflexive pronoun. Come on page number 39. Complete the following sentences by using appropriate reflexive pronouns. A is I wrote this message dash. Now you are to write here myself, my, self, self. B is he is making himself a cup of tea. Himself a cup of tea. C is they asked themselves, 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 where they had gone wrong. D is be careful with the knife or you will cut yourself, right? Not this one, yourself. E is does the computer turn dash off, turn itself off, it, self. Alright, last one is emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronouns end in self or self similar to reflexive pronouns. अब ये भी reflexive pronouns की तरह ही होते हैं, लेकिन ये यूज़ होते हैं emphasize के लिए, right? Like himself, herself, ourself, yourself, etc. It is not an essential part of the meaning of a sentence. It is just, you know, in the last one example I told you, the boy is beating himself. अब यहाँ पे आप himself नहीं लिखेंगे तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि to whom he is beating, किसको वो मार रहा है, right? सो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस का प्रोनाउन का और इसका यही डिफरेंस होता है एम्फेटिक का, कि रिफ्लेक्सिव में आपके पास जो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन है वो सेंटेंस में मीनिंगफुल होता है, राइट? इंपॉर्टेंस होती है उसकी, लेकिन एम्फेटिक में क्या होता है कि उसकी इंपॉर्टेंस इतनी नहीं होती, एम्फसाइज करने के लिए जस्ट यूज़ किया जाता है. ऑलराइट, इट इज़ नॉट एन एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ द मीनिंग ऑफ अ सेंटेंस, इट इज़ जस्ट देयर फॉर एडेड एम्फसाइज. मे अकर राइट आफ्टर द प्रोनाउन, ज़्यादातर ये प्रोनाउन के बाद आते हैं, सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन के बाद. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई माई सेल्फ टुक केयर ऑफ द बेबी. अब आप माई सेल्फ को निकाल दें अगर, तो आई टुक केयर ऑफ द बेबी इज़ राइट, राइट? सो यहाँ पे सिर्फ एम्फसाइज के लिए यूज़ होता है एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन. ही हिमसेल्फ डिड द मशीन रिपेयर्स. ही did the machine repairs, you can write it, but you are adding this one to emphasize. आप emphasize के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं. So this is the difference between reflexive and emphatic. यानी दोनों सिमिलर होते हैं, लेकिन डिफरेंस ये होता है कि उसका मीनिंग होता है, कोई इंपॉर्टेंस होती है सेंटेंस में, और ये इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस इसकी नहीं होती एम्फेटिक की, कि ये सिर्फ एम्फसाइज के लिए यूज़ होता है, राइट? सो हिमसेल्फ एंड माई सेल्फ आर हियर एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस. Come on page number 40, students. Fill in the blanks with suitable emphatic pronouns. A is I dash climbed the mountain. I myself, M-Y-my-S-E-L-F, self. I myself climbed the mountain. B is we dash checked on the idea. Now here ourselves, O-U-R-S-E-L-V-E-S, ourselves. C is she dash prepared the meal for the guest. Herself, she herself, H-E-R, her S-E-L-F, self, prepared the meal for the guest. D is he himself. He himself was injured. H-I-M, him, S-E-L-F, self. He himself was injured. E is they dash do not know what has happened to them. Now here themselves. They themselves, T-H-E-M-S-E-L-V-E-S, do not know what has happened to them. Right? So this was all about today's lecture, students, about pronoun and its types. I hope that all of the points are clear. If there is still ambiguity, you may ask me, right? So this is your diary for today. Revise the concept of pronoun and its types, right? You are to revise whole concepts which I gave you today. That is on page number 37, 38, 39 and 40, right? Thank you very much.